How to create TEMU account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, open any browser and type TEMU, and then click on the official website here. So tap on the profile icon, and then click on Settings. So you can change your country and region, so just tap on it, and select which country you're from, and then go back, and you can change the language and the currency as well. Once you've set this, go ahead and click on Sign In/Register. And you can do so by entering your email or phone number, or you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or with Twitter. So I'm going to continue with Google, and you can select your Google account. So if you want to enter the mobile number that you like to associate with your account, you can do that, but you can also skip this by clicking on Not Now. So you can press this home icon, and you'll see that I have successfully signed in. So you can click on your profile icon here, and then click on your account name. So once you do that, you'll be able to set your photo, set your name, write a bio about you, and select your gender. So this is how to create a TEMU account. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.